How to Fortnite on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can Fortnite on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically get Fortnite on your PS4, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically open up your PlayStation Store, because Fortnite is actually available for completely free on PlayStation Store. You can simply go to the search bar from here. And here you can simply go ahead and then try to search for Fortnite here, and on the right hand side you'll be able to see the search result. Just make sure that you have got plenty of storage, because Fortnite is actually quite a heavy game, and you'll just see the download button. Make sure that you're connected to the internet, and then from there you can begin downloading the game. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then get Fortnite or Fortnite on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.